You see the land beginning on top came. This pastagem are part of the property, another pastagem we cannot see, and this pastagem too, okay? All this area after the place where it pass water, a line of water. These trees, all you see, are part of the property, okay? All these trees, these are part of the property, okay? The view is that there is the little island with a beach from the village of Vila Franca do Campo. There is the beginning of the property, goes to the top, okay, with 7 natural source of water, okay. The source of water go to the city of Lagoa, okay, and you have obviously the natural water in the property.